Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Animals play a significant role in our lives and language. Learning their names in a new language not only enriches your vocabulary but also connects you to the culture, history and traditions tied to those creatures. So, let's embark on a fascinating journey into the Korean language and explore the wonderful world of animal names together. Here is the part 1 of this video series, and in this part we are going to learn the names of various farm animals in Korean language. Let's start with the first word, and that is the word animal. So in Korean, animal is 동물, 동물. Next, let's see how to say cow in Korean language, and that is so, so. Now comes the Korean word for pig, and that is 돼지, 돼지. Now comes the Korean word for rooster in Korean language, and that is 수탉, 수탉. Next, let's see how to say horse in Korean, and that is 말, 말. Next comes the word goat, and in Korean goat is 염소, 염소. Next, let's see how to say sheep in Korean, and that is 양, 양. Next comes the Korean word for chicken, and that is 닭, 닭. Now let's see how to say duck in Korean language, and that is 오리, 오리. Next comes the Korean word for turkey, and that is 칠면조, 칠면조. Now let's see how to say goose in Korean, and that is 거위, 거위. So, in this video today, we learned the names of various farm animals in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.